Alright, what's up, Amaya? And today I will show you some hidden features of VLC Media Player, which includes screen recording, converting videos, and also streaming. First of all, open up VLC Media Player just like this. If you want to check for updates, hit continue. Here you can see this is the media player, and this is the most used media player for almost every Windows PC. So here are the options: convert or save. If you want to record, go to this tab and go to capture card. Here you can see there are some capture with options. You need to select anyone that you want. If you want to direct show, if you want to just screen record your screen, just select the desktop. Here I recommend going 30 frames per second, or you can go with 60. Hit convert or save. Here you can see the source has been added as screen, and now you can browse for destination file. And also I will recommend that you change the file name to screen recording or anyone that you want, like this, and hit start. And now it is playing here, but there is no end number, which means you can see right here there is no ending number while there is a starting number, which means this is live recording the whole screen. Now let's go ahead and open up some apps. Like I'm using this Brave browser. Let's turn it off, and I'm gonna show you multiple apps, and I will tell you if it is recording properly or not. Okay, I have opened 3 apps. Now let's go ahead and stop the recording. To stop the recording, simply hit stop button right here, stop playback. This will stop the recording and save the recording to your destination folder, wherever you saved it. Let's close VLC Media Player. Go to File Manage, File Explorer. Here you can see this is the screen recording of VLC. It is kinda slow. It is not as good as OBS Studio, but still it is worth the job. Now you can see this is a whole screen recording. I am not doing anything, but still I'm gonna show you. You can see this is a video playing here. I am recording this video using the OBS Studio, but this recording that I am playing on the VLC Media Player is recorded by VLC itself. Now you can see whenever it ends, this will turn off. So this was the recording. This is how you can record videos with the VLC Media Player, but there are some other hidden features as well. Next one being the converting option. This is the screen capture. You can network stream or disk convert. If you want to convert a media file, simply go here, tap add, select the device, and hit convert or save. Now you will be given some options right here. This is the display the output and destination or something like that. Here are some files that you can export to. Please note that if you have a file that is corrupted but VLC is still managing to open it up, you can convert that file, and that corrupted file will be as good as new, which means you can fix your corrupted files as well. And also you can convert your videos into multiple options. Just select a profile that you can use later. For example, if you want to convert a video into an audio, you can do that. Select MP3, and you will see there are the features that are listed right here. And you can also change some other stuff like video codec, audio codec, or things like that. Just simple create the profile, enter the name, and do that. This is how you will be able to convert any file into audio file or any file format that you desire. Let me go ahead and try one. After you have selected the conversion format, simply edit the name and save to a file location, and hit save and start it. Now you can see this video is now converted into an audio file. Moving on to our next step, that is going to be how to stream using VLC Media Player. First of all, go to stream, remove if you have any existing video. If you want to stream locally installed videos, hit stream. You can see it will show up right here. Hit next, and here if you want to stream it to a website, simply hit add. No, do not hit add. First we need to select HTTP. protocol, hit next. Yeah, sorry about that. This is now what we are gonna do. Simply go back and select HTTP format, add, and here you can select the URL of any website. For example, if you want to stream to YouTube, enter youtube.com/your streaming link. You can find your streaming links using the YouTube Studio, or if you wanna stream to Twitch, find the Twitch one. If you wanna stream to Facebook, find the Facebook stream link and then paste the link right here. Hit next. It will show up the file here and hit stream. This will make a new file and still also enable how to stream using the internet. We have to allow access to the internet so it can use up the internet and stream. This is how we are going to do it. What if you do not want to stream a already made file? If you want to live stream your desktop, simply go here, capture card, here select the format, make sure it's screen and these features are showing up. Select the frame rate, I am going with 30, hit stream, hit next. Now here select the HTTP protocol and add your link and then hit next and hit stream. Now you will be able to stream your desktop screen to a website that you selected for streaming, for example YouTube or Twitch or Facebook, whichever streaming site that you want to use. So this is how we are going to do any of these. So there are the three. Now these are the three hidden features of VLC Media Player that you didn't know existed. Neither did I, but I found it out. You can stream using VLC Media Player, you can screen record using VLC Media Player, and also you can convert your videos using the VLC Media Player, which means all of the basic functions that you want to use are now available on the VLC Media Player. You do not have to go through and find any other apps for that. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Take care. Goodbye.